I'm going to start looking at Shiba Inu here from a daily perspective. Last week, actually yesterday, we had Shiba Inu broke out from a cup with handle base that we've been looking for a few days. We talked about it last week in the video. We officially closed above the handle high, which was 887. Yesterday, I think we closed at 902. So we do have an official breakout from the handle position. Now the issue becomes the resistance here associated with June 29th, which comes in at 962, and then this layer of swing highs that take us all the way up into the 1214, 1204 area, which coincides with the measured move target of the cup with handle base, and that remains my preferred target for Shiba Inu at this point. I don't see upside beyond that. I have to see price action as we get up to those price levels, whether we will actually start entertaining the 38.2% retracement or the 50% retracement. On the downside, the area for a stop is going to be the low here, which coincides with 797. So if we get a daily close below 797, that's going to defeat the cup with handle pattern and show us probably lower prices. It coincides very closely with the 56-hour simple moving average, which comes in at 772. So that should be a strong area of support for any pullback in Shiba Inu. You'll see here on the 6-hour chart that we've been closing with doji candlesticks, which does show some uncertainty or reluctance within the investor ranks of Shiba Inu to carry this breakout further. I would have liked to see this close at the high yesterday. It would have been a bit more of a bullish statement by Shiba Inu. But nevertheless, we did get the close above and the triggering of the cup with handle pattern. We also note that we did get strong volume yesterday. It was the highest volume going back to mid-June's rise of 27%. So that also shows the demand coming back into the market. Yes, slightly overbought. Is it a bearish situation? Absolutely not. That could continue for a while, and we could even evolve into a bearish momentum divergence after that, which then would become a concern. So moving forward, with the confirmation of the breakout, we're looking at 1204 to 1214 on the upside, and a close below 797 on the downside as your stop would be a concern.
Okay. I, on the other hand, I'm already flipped into from bullish to cautiously optimistic right now. I'm expecting Shiba Inu to either rally, retest the 70.5 fib, which comes around the 101 level here, and then retrace to the 50 fib, or even the 811 fib here. Not the 811, the 811 support level here. So I'm expecting something like this to happen, and then a reversal or a retest of this followed by this to back to this, and in a highly bullish case to this level here, right? So it's gonna be a 28% upswing, and then followed by a 38% upswing for Shiba Inu. Either way, I'm looking at the 811 support level here, which looks like a really good level for the reversal of the retracement that I'm expecting here right now. Right. Apart from that, I'm bullish in Shiba. I'm bullish in a lot of altcoins right now. That is assuming Bitcoin consolidates or heads higher, right? Any sudden spikes to the downside would breach this, and then the bullish thesis explained for different altcoins and then invalidate that. So all my thesis, all my predictions are kind of based on how Bitcoin reacts right now.
Do you think that really that matters so much what Bitcoin does? I mean, the altcoins have been pretty explosive, regardless of zero price movement for several days in Bitcoin.
Yeah. So what me and Ali were discussing today was that generally what happens is Bitcoin leads the pack, it rallies, Ethereum closely follows Bitcoin, and then if Bitcoin kind of consolidates, like coils up, or maybe even retraces, that's when the altcoins actually come in, right? So we've seen Sol, we've seen Serum, a lot of Sam coins, and these kind, and even XRP for that matter, like and ADA, which have explosive growth. But a lot of altcoins like Comp, Dot haven't actually moved uh, in a similar fashion to what these coins have. So I believe it comes in phases, right? Like first Bitcoin rallies, and then a couple of altcoins, and then the remaining of the altcoins, right? So that's what's happening, at least from my perspective, right? Right now, if Bitcoin shows strength or even consolidates, it's good. The bullish thing, the bullishness remains. But if Bitcoin tanks and like hits 40K, uh, regardless of how bullish an altcoin setup might seem to you, it's gonna go haywire. It's gonna go south real quick. At least
Okay.
from my experience, at least from, yeah, I've had a lot of worse experience, like where an altcoin setup looks really juicy and like perfect from theoretical perspective and from practical perspective, but then it tanks because Bitcoin goes south.
Well, we did see that we did see Bitcoin top out in April and move down after that, while the altcoins did continue to perform for at least another month after that. So, I mean,
So that particular phase was like the peak of the bull run, right? If you look at the 2017 bull run, Bitcoin formed a top somewhere around December 17th. And if you look at Ethereum and XRP, they formed the tops. I think Ethereum formed an all-time high a day or two later. And then XRP formed its top somewhere in Jan, if I remember correctly. So that there's this kind of lag effect. Yeah, so XRP formed it on Jan 1st. But if you look at BTC, it formed its top on December 17th.
okay.
So yeah, I think that at least that's what I believe. See, December 17th was the top for Bitcoin. And XRP formed its all-time high. So that is because a lot of people uh, kind of keep cycling the capital from Bitcoin to altcoins, because if you check out the bull run, right? I think except for the first couple of bull runs, all the bull runs, altcoins outperformed Bitcoin in terms of ROI. But Bitcoin is the most stable one, so people kind of cycle the capital, which is what causes the delay in forming the tops. Bitcoin forms the top first, and then the altcoins proceed to set up new all-time highs, and then they crash down violently.
Okay. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel, FXStreet, on YouTube, and we'll have new videos coming out on Friday and also following Tuesday.
Are you gonna stop recording?
Yeah. Do I stop or do I pause?
No, you stop the recording.
Stop it? Okay.